The first thing you need to do is remove this cap. Really easy, just pinch it on either side where these red tabs are and pull it off. And that will reveal the spool. Now, I do like the string trimmer because it comes with 2 spare spools that are already rewound. If you're out of spare spools, you'll have to get 10 feet of 0.065 string line and rethread this whole spool. So what you're going to do is find this little slot in the bottom here, take your string line and push it through, and then start winding the string line on clockwise. Your arrows here, that's the direction the string line goes in. Just keep this tight and rewind this until you have about 5 to 6 inches of string line sticking out. With 5 to 6 inches of string line sticking out, we're going to hook the string line into this little slot here, and then pull it down and hook it into the next one, and that's going to stop this from coming undone. And then we're going to install this. We're going to put this string through the slot here, and before we pull it tight, we're just going to unhook this, keep the string taut until we can slot this in. With that installed, we can then just put our cap back on. That's how to rewind the string line on a Bauer 20 volt string trimmer.